Bakit may mga tao na nalulubog sa utang? Bakit may mga tao naman na pag umutang, lalong umaangat, lalong napapalago nila yung resources nila? Bakit kaya? I believe na may mga tao kasi na pagka nagkaroon ng financial problem, instead of looking into their management, looking into what went wrong into their management, ang ginagawa nila, uutang sila para mapunuan yung kanilang cash flow problem. And that's wrong because what is happening is you are involving other people into your problem na hindi mo kayang isolve. Hindi nila kayang isolve yun dahil na may problema ay ikaw. Ang dapat mong gawin is sanayin mo yung sarili mo to live within your means, to manage what you have. And if you are able to manage the little that you have, you'll be qualified to manage other people's money. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit lumalaki yung resources ng iba na marunong umutang. They know how to manage what they have. And they have mastered the art of managing other people's money. Kaya lumalaki sila. So ang pag-utang ay hindi solusyon sa ating problema. Ang solusyon sa ating problema is to manage the little that we have. And as it grows, because we become masters in managing what we have, you will see that your resources will keep on growing. So manage the little that you have and be qualified to manage other people's money.